Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Google Vids, designed specifically for teachers and students. Let's kick things off with an introduction to what Google Vids is all about. Google Vids is an intuitive and powerful video creation tool, ideal for educational settings. It simplifies the video editing process, making it accessible for everyone. In education, Google Vids offers incredible benefits. It enhances learning through visual storytelling, boosts engagement, and fosters creativity. Ready to dive in? Let's get you started with Google Vids. Accessing Google Vids is straightforward. Simply log in with your Google account, and you'll find it alongside your other Google Workspace applications. The Google Vids interface is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean layout that makes navigating and editing your videos a breeze. Creating your first video is an exciting step. Google Vids guides you through the process, making it easy to bring your ideas to life. You can choose to kickstart your project with a ready-made template or build your video from scratch, giving you full creative control. Google Vids allows you to easily add text, captivating visuals, and compelling audio to enhance your video's message. One of Google Vids' strongest aspects is its robust collaboration features, perfect for group projects and feedback. Sharing your projects with others is seamless, enabling team members to view and contribute to videos effortlessly. Experience real-time editing and feedback, making group work dynamic and efficient, just like in Google Docs. Let's explore some practical applications of Google Vids for both teachers and students. Teachers can create engaging video lessons and clear assignment instructions, making learning more interactive and accessible for students. Students can present research findings and build impressive digital portfolios, showcasing their work in a dynamic and professional format. Collaborating on group projects becomes easier and more effective, allowing students to combine their creative efforts seamlessly. To help you make the best use of Google Vids, here are some tips for effective video creation. Always aim for videos that are concise, focused, and accessible to your audience, ensuring your message is clearly understood. Prioritize clear visuals and crisp audio to maintain engagement and ensure your message is communicated effectively. Google Vids is a fantastic tool to enhance teaching and learning. We encourage you to explore its features and unleash your creativity. Ready to start? Contact your nearest tech support teacher.